Here is another variant of the kind of examples that you can find on multiplying a whole number by a fraction. But in this case, we are seeing a mixed number, that is a whole number and a fraction. So to simplify this, here is what you do. Remember, the first thing you want to do is to write your whole number as a fraction. So it will be written as 9/1 multiplied by. Now, this mixed fraction, we're going to write it as an improper fraction. And to do that, you multiply the denominator here, that is 3, by the whole number. And then you add that to the numerator, which is 2. Now, divided by, you keep the same denominator. Now, let's simplify this further and see what we get. That is, here we are having 9/1 multiplied by. Now, 3 multiplied by 1 will give us 3. And then when we add 2 to that, we will get 5. So we have 5/3. Now we draw a division line, and then we multiply the numerators together. So we have 9 multiplied by 5. And then we multiply the denominators. So 1 multiplied by 3. And this would give us 9 multiplied by 5 would give us 45. Divided by 1 multiplied by 3 would give us 3. Now, this is an improper fraction which we would solve. We have to simplify this. So we divide through by 3 because 3 is a factor to both of them. So what we'll have is that 3 would go in 45 15 times. Because 3 multiplied by 15 is 45 and there is no remainder. So our final answer is 15. Thank you.